Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to see the exact method to earn $1 per day using SproutGeeks.com. And this is a 100% free tutorial and no need any investment to earn with SproutGeeks. And you can simply click the link below in the description to earn or start earning money with SproutGeeks.com. And you don't need any skills to proceed with this platform, and all the links and the stuffs are in the description box below. So now let's jump into it. And before proceeding to this video, please subscribe to US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials and updates. So now let's start our process. And as the first step, now I have reached to my search engine. Now I'm going to search for SproutGeeks. And this is SproutGeeks.com. And you guys can simply click the below mentioned link to register to SproutGeeks, and you can fill a form and then enter the email address and you can simply proceed. And now I'm gonna explore the SproutGeeks.com, and I'm gonna click on understand, and this is SproutGeeks.com, and we can simply complete micro tasks and earn money. And how to find the jobs, you can simply click find job, and here is a switch between the employer and the worker. Then you should turn on this worker, and your profile type has been changed to worker. So now I'm going to click on find jobs, and here it lists me 463 results. So now I can sort this job into the job level, and you can simply select the category, whether it is video marketing, or you can simply Facebook micro, or you can simply click this one, and you can simply see the revenue where they will pay, and this is $0.1. So you can complete like 10 tasks like this, and you can earn money using SproutGeeks.com. And you should surely see the required proofs in this section. In this task, they are saying that screenshot taken after clicking on done, and Facebook profile name or link of yours, and Facebook ad review, and like the ad and watch. They are saying lots of work here, and we can simply these are very small tasks, and no need any skills to proceed. And we can simply select, if you don't like this one, you can simply select the SEO or promote job, which is a great type of job, and you can earn more using this job. So now I'm going to select the $0.06 work, and simply I can complete this one easily. So now they are saying to open a private browser. So now I'm going to open my incognito tab, and I can simply copy this link first of all, and I can paste this link and I can proceed, and they are saying to click here. So now I'm going to click. So it's loading, and allow the pages to finish loading, and browse slowly and follow the link to my new site. So now I'm going to again proceed here, and now I'm going to paste this in a new tab, and so now I'm going to click here, and this is redirecting me to Facebook, and here it shows me, and copy this text and replace the asterisk with what you see in this image. So now let's search in google.com in my private window. So now I'm going to search this, so now I'm going to proceed. So now I'm going to start this work by simply copying this text, and I'm going to open my private window again, and I'm going to paste this in the here, and here it shows me that email marketing for success Sky Agency. We can simply stack this and we can simply see the results whether it is same or not. I mean the website, and as you guys can see the URL is same. So now I'm going to proceed to this URL and I'm going to go to my Sprout Geeks, and here it shows me follow the link to my site, open all 10 blog posts you see in there in separate tabs for 15 seconds each. Slowly scroll down to the bottom of each of the page one by one, and now follow this one. So now I'm going to copy this one too, and I'm going to go to the private tab and I'm going to open this one. So as you guys can see, this is a instruction post, and I can close this ad, and now I'm going to open 10 blog posts in separate tabs. So now first of all I'm going to proceed to the home page of Sky Agency, and now I'm going to click on open in new tab, and I can simply hold the control and click, and control plus click, control plus click, and control plus click, control click, control click. So now I want to see the number of tabs: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. So we have opened 7. Now I'm going to open 8, 9 and 10. So now I have opened 10 tabs. So now I'm going to scroll down until the bottom of the page to check whether my so as you guys can see, this says me 191 seconds more. So don't refresh this, and again I'm going to go to this page's bottom, and as you guys can see, this is 200 seconds. So I can read this one too. Click on to ads, and after this counter is running, we can simply close the tab, and we can again proceed. So now I'm going to wait for this task over. So as you guys can see now, my code is appearing. So now I'm going to click on copy code, and I'm going to go to the section of here, write the new code you found. So now I'm going to paste this code, and now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to close all these tabs, and so now I'm going to close all of these tabs. So now I'm going to see the requirements or the next proofs to submit. Click on to ads, visit to inner page, come back to my site and scroll down to the end of the first article and wait for timer to finish. You will see an instruction to reload to get the code email. So I'm going to copy this URL, and now I'm going to go, and so now I'm going to cut this, and the screenshot was removed. So unfortunately the screenshot is removed. No problem, we have successfully pasted the code. So now I'm gonna click one ad here, and it says me click on two ads and visit two inner pages in both ads. Come back to my site and scroll down and submit the link to the ads. Also submit link to the about us page of the ad site, and this is one of my ad site. So now I'm going to click on about us of this site, and I'm going to copy this URL, and I'm going to go to the Sprout Geeks, and I'm going to paste link to about us page, and I should click another link or another ad to successfully complete this work. So again I'm going to proceed to this website, and I'm gonna check whether any different ads are coming. So the same ad is coming. So I'm gonna again refresh this page, and now I'm gonna again read this. Click on two ads, visit to inner page in both and submit the link to the ads you clicked on as proof. Also submit link to the about us page of the ad site, not Sky Agents. So I need to click 2 ads and I need to visit two inner pages of the ad site too, and they are asking the proof from step 4. And what is the step 4? Open all the blog post. They are asking the proof of the ads visiting pages. So now I'm gonna again proceed to the ad site and I'm gonna click on services. So I'm gonna again open the contact info too, and I'm gonna copy this URL and I'm gonna paste this over here, and I'm gonna copy this one and I'm gonna paste this. I'm gonna copy this one too, and I'm gonna paste this over here, and over here. Cut this, paste this over here, and so now I have successfully completed my job. So now I'm going to click on submit proofs, and this will take around 1 day or 2 days to complete the withdraw or the transaction. They will this is 100% legit, and you will earn money, and they will surely pay you. If they didn't pay or they forgot, you will get paid automatically by sproutgigs.com, and you can simply complete tasks like this and earn $1 per day and $30 per month. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.